Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're just gonna do a get ready with me because I can, and we're just gonna talk, we're just gonna talk. So let's just get ready, So I'll just do my eyebrows off camera because I already made a video on how I did my eyebrows, so you guys could check it out. I don't know how to do that icon, but like you guys could check it out, go on my channel. But I'll be right back to do my eyebrows. So yeah, okay, I'm done with my eyebrows, but I'm gonna conceal on camera because girl, it's satisfying to me and I want to record it. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in and I'll conceal for you guys. Okay, I'm done with my eyebrows now, and I don't know, but I think I'm gonna do this reverse, or my tutorial, not tutorial, but my routine reverse. I'm gonna do my eyes first and then my base because I want it to be more precise, I guess. I don't know, kinda, I guess. Okay, but yeah. But anyways, let's get started. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in again. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I don't do this, but I think it's better to put a little bit, just like a little bit eyeshadow, not eyeshadow, a little bit concealer. I'm gonna use the same concealer that I use to carve my eyebrows. But I use the same thing, the same shade right here. Ooh, right here. The one that I use for my contour. So basically what I do is I basically put it right here and blend it. Like that. Then I take the James Charles palette and I use this shade. I use the top shade to kind of carve out my look, and I'm using the Jaclyn Hill brush JH41. But what I do is I put it like right here, like this, and then what I do is I extend it like right here, like that, like that. And that's basically the eyeshadow part, like, right? That's like really basic. And what I do is I take my eyeliner, this is from e.l.f., and I just wing it out, My liners are really, they like change throughout. Every time I do it, it's thicker, sometimes it's thinner, sometimes it's not even. But what I do to do my eyeliner is I start right here, like right here, and then I put it up like really straight. I do it really straight. Ooh, not that straight, but you get the gist. We could clean it, but I do that, I line it like that, and then I go at the top right here and I drag it down. and then I fill it in. Okay, I kind of finished the eyeliner, and I'm gonna do this other eye off camera, and yeah, we'll move on to our base. Not base, but whatever. Okay, now I'm done with the stuff. It kind of took me long because like I was being a perfectionist, but let's just go on with the video. So let me put some moisturizer first. So as you can see, my eyeshadow is not that perfect because like, you know how like you see that thing, but you won't see it if I like do this, you know what I mean? And you won't see it because of the lashes. But let's go on with the story. So there's like, I think it was sophomore year, we did this thing where, you know, like you go like this and then you push down and you see the your real laugh. Well, we did that on her. That time we weren't that close, but we still did it on her, and her laugh came out, like her real ass laugh. And her laugh was like like that, and we just made it like a meme for us, I guess. We just like, we mostly do it every time in a group chat, and when we see each other. I don't know, it's a weird thing, but that's how she laughs. She was like like, yeah. I don't know what else to talk about, girl, but that's basically what they wanted me to talk about. And Angel also wanted me to be myself, but girl, how am I gonna be myself if like I don't know what to talk about, you know what I mean? But whatever. And girl, don't mind me my sweat again, because I'm gonna be sweating throughout this video because of this damn ass sun. What else to talk about? I can talk about my favorite streamer right now, and her name is Carmen Kingi. And if you don't know her, then well, you don't know her. Today we're just gonna use a sponge to blend up my stuff, because I don't know, it's so satisfying to me. Like, you see this? Oh, so satisfying. And girl, if you didn't watch the last episode, I can't watch myself. Why do I keep saying episode? If you haven't seen the last video, my base makeup right now, like the beginning, it looks rough, but you just gotta trust the process, girl. You know what I mean? Trust the motherfucking self. Trust the motherfucking process, cause you know. But this was my favorite part of the editing and watching my video, was blending the concealer and stuff. So I'm just gonna blend my foundation with a beauty sponge, like blending my concealer with a sponge, because that was really satisfying to me. I don't know if that was satisfying to you. Like how I cut my eyebrows, that was satisfying. That was really satisfying. Okay, we're back, girl, and we're gonna do some concealer real quick. So what should we talk about? I really don't know, but I'm gonna zoom you guys in, because you know, you gotta see that. Not me sweating. This is so embarrassing, guys. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna put some black on here, and this is the Jaclyn Hill 42, and I'm gonna put some black eyeshadow right here. I connect it. I'm gonna put some right here too. And I'm gonna take my contour shade, it's the brown, the dark brown one that I contoured with, and I'm gonna blend it out. What I do next is I take this eyebrow thing, and I'm not doing this completely different order, but I take the blade part and then I just make an inner corner. Not showing you guys. Okay, I don't know if that's even, but Angel, if you're still watching this, I cannot be funny while doing my makeup because I'm too focused on trying to make this presentable. Okay, I'm gonna put on some eyelashes off camera and I'll be right back to do my lips. Okay, so I put on some lashes and I used Miami from Lily Lashes, and look how pretty they look. And they're gorgeous, they're gorgeous, and they're really pretty. Like, look at that. This side is kind of longer than the other, and I don't know, it's just longer than the other, as you can see. But let's do the motherfucking lippies. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a bit more. And what I basically use for my lips is, since you guys are gonna see my lips around here, you guys are gonna see my motherfucking sweat. So what I use to do my lips is this Benefit, and it's the eyebrow thingy. That's basically it. And what I do is I overline my lips. Wait. I overline my lips like this. Like that. And put it more like this. I don't know, because this side is more like uneven, I guess. And I have to put more. My lips look crusty right now. Don't mind it. So I do that, and I just do this. And I take this brush. It's like this, I don't know how to do that, but I don't know what to call this brush, but what I do is, let me make sure you guys are focused, is I blend this out. Like this. And then I basically do the other, my bottom lip, the same as what I did. It's basically how I do my lips, and I'm gonna put some gloss on it because I kind of want to put some gloss on it. So I'm gonna zoom you guys back out and I'm gonna show you guys what gloss I use. So this is the gloss I use. It's from Bath and Body Works. Yeah, I know. And I don't know, it's really not really good. This is like the only lip gloss I have, so I use it. So I'm just gonna put that on real quick. This lip gloss tastes good. I'm telling you that, you know. Like, it really tastes good. What I do next is, I guess, put some highlighter on. And what I use to put highlighter on is this to put on my cheeks. And I use this to put on my nose. And which highlighter I used is the James Charles Face. This highlighter is bomb. Like, it's thebomb.com. So I'm just gonna put that right now. Can you see that right there? Oof, girl, like, look at that. It's so pretty. And then I use this one to highlight my nose. So what I do is I do that. I like literally just press it like that, and I blend it, and then I just put the highlighter right here, right around here. Like that. Then I blend it. And I usually don't do this, but I'll do it for the sake of the video. Put some highlighter right here, you know? And this is how I just glam up. And I don't know, it's basically how I do it, you know? See that fancy? Basically it, girl. Basically it. And you guys want to see my desk right now? I'll show you guys. This is my desk so far, girl. Like, what? Damn. But this is basically everything. And I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. And I hope this quality that I'm gonna post is actually better than the other ones, because the qualities on the other ones is really bad. I don't know why, but I don't know how to be a YouTuber. But yeah, so basically I will see you guys in the next video. Always like and subscribe if you haven't already. My socials will be down below, everything, you know. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Love you. Like this video. Bye.